Hello and welcome to the Sewing Studio. Today I'd like to introduce you to these little characters, and these are part of our needle felting kit range. So I'm just going to pop them there. Unicorns really do exist, by the way. And I'm just going to show you what we've got inside of these kits, because you've got everything you need to make one of these. And each kit comes with its own polystyrene shape needle felting needle, which is a barbed needle, and that's what creates the wool to be able to mat together to go over the polystyrene shape. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm just going to pop these ones out the way for a moment so you can see better what I'm doing. So I'll open this one to show you. So what have we got here? We've got the Christmas pudding. Okay, so inside you get lovely clear instructions, and you get your little bag with your wool and your polystyrene ball. So this one's quite simple really, because it's just a polystyrene ball. And we're going to use our needle to mat the wool over the ball. Now the secret of this is not to put a big clump, is to do a little bit at a time and be patient, and as the needle works it will mat the fibres into the polystyrene. So I just love the sound it makes. So that's what you do until it's all covered, and then you take a little bit more wool and you do some more. Now you don't actually need anything else, only what's in these kits, but I like to use these mats because what I find is as I go further round, the mat grips the wool and you're not actually sliding the polystyrene around. So we have got some of these mats available. We've got the clover one and then we've got the blue one as well. But as I say, you don't have to have the mat. You can just hold it and do it like this. So you can see this has also got the lovely bit of felt, which is your icing, and then you've got your berries and your leaves, and you've even got something to hang it by. So great ideas, fantastic stocking fillers, and as always there's lots to choose from. So have fun, and I'll see you next time here in the Sewing Studio.